Peace, 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 family. It's your boy Treetop Chris, your local neighborhood financial consultant slash expert. Today we're going to talk about pledge loans, no? Installment loans, no? Secured loans. We're going to figure out how we can get secured loans using the bank's money and then use the bank's money to pay back the secured loans. I know it's an empty board right now, but we're going to fill it in. Give me 2 seconds. All right, y'all there? All right, bet. So I got this horrible illustration right here of the process and how it looks in my head, but this is really just for the visual people. And I know it looks kind of crazy right now, but I'm gonna explain it to you. All right, so the first step is to ask for a secured loan. Seems very simple, yes. This is for any bank. The main bank that people try to do this with is with Navy Federals. They use something called a pledge loan. It's a pledge loan hack. If you want to look it up, go ahead and look it up, but I'll explain how this works. And it works at every bank that offers secured loans, but they have to meet these 2 requirements. So when you ask them for a secured loan, you have to ask them, okay, do you offer secured loans? But this is the most important part. Do you credit the account when you make a payment or at the end? What does that mean? That means that if you ask for a $250 secured loan, are they going to give you your money back after the term? So if you set it for 3 months, 6 months, 12 months, 2 years, are they going to give it back to you then, or are they going to give it back to you as you pay it back? So the good thing about asking this question is if they say yes, that means if you give them any type of funds, that money will be automatically credited back into your account. So if you really don't have the money to put into the bank to do this play, every dollar that you put back into it, you'll get your money back. So if you want to pay it off real quick, you can get all your money back. If you want to do my plan, you'll get your money back as you handle the plan. Step 1, ask for a secured loan. Step 2, the banks give you the $250, right? Then immediately you're going to pay back 90%. Immediately. Soon as that money hits your account, you're going to give them 90% back. Remember, we got $250. We gave them $250. They gave us $250. We gave them $225, which is 90%. Why are we doing 90%? Because as soon as the 90% hits the bank is going to give you $225. So in a span of a couple days, as soon as this goes through, you'll have $225 back. Now, what do you do with the last $25? Basically, what you're going to do is you're going to stretch that $25 over 6 months. Then that's going to look like $2.08 a month. Who can afford $2.08 a month? I can. I think you can. So after 6 months, the bank is going to return you your $25. So all in all, what you just did was you gave them some money, they gave you some money, you gave them their money back, and they gave you your money back. And then on paper, it's going to look like you satisfied a 6-month loan with your money using the bank's money. It's that simple. Now, if you want to get more technical and make it more fancy, you could go to one bank and get a loan for $250, take that $250 to the other bank and get a loan for $250, pay the first one back, and then pay the second one back, and then you had 2 loans. Now, the one caveat to this, which is very important, if you have a long credit history already, the premise of this would be to create a large loan that's paid off. But it'll hurt your credit if you do it for a short amount of time. So say if it's only for 6 months or only for 3 months and you have a credit history of 12 years, then that'll shrink your credit history down based on a 6-month loan. So you have to be careful if you have a long credit history. But if you have a short credit history, a thin credit file, you're just starting with credit, this is perfect for you. And it's very, very low cost. But remember, you can do this with any amount. So if it's $250, $500, $1,000, $5,000, $20,000, it doesn't matter. This works perfect. So keep this in mind. It's a credit loan hack, if you want to call it that. It's just playing with the house money, paying back the house money, getting your money back, and doing it over and over again as many times as you like. That's pretty much it. All right.